Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. Another mean value theorem for Calculus 2. And let's do it. Index 8 to get to my menu. Scroll down. Now you can hold the second button here on your calculator after you purchase my programs, if you're lucky enough to do that. And then you're going to press the down cursor here and it'll go screen by screen really quick down the menu. Notice all the things, your choices you have in calculus here to solve your tests and pass calculus somehow. Better than the Khan Academy, better than Wolfram Mass, better than Patrick JMT. Can't come close to these programs because they're not in the calculator. And I don't teach this stuff, I just want to show you how to do it, and that's all you're interested in too. Here's the mean value theorem in my menu. And we're going to enter the function. You have to press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines here. I'm going to press alpha. And the function is 4 divided by x squared. You notice all these things have x squared or x cubed. Calculus loves to get into the Pythagorean theorem because that's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So anytime there's an exponent, these professors drool, salivate over it, because they can finally do an integral or a derivative on it, you know. But keep in mind, there's no mystical thing about calculus, okay? It's just a computation. It's just a mechanical computation of math, okay? You're either adding to the exponent or subtracting from the exponent or using identities or different switches of integrals to come up with these nonsensical answers. Algebra and calculus has nothing to do with your life, never will. You'll never do one problem in your whole life, no matter, even if you work at NASA, you'll never do one problem in calculus or algebra, okay? So therefore, pass the class and get out of there. Don't ever think about it again. But when you buy my program, remember it's always going to be in your calculator here, the Titanium. For your grandkids, your own kids, your partners, your whoever takes calculus in the future, you'll always be able to do calculus problems, you know. And versus you can take your book out all you want. You'll never do any problem ever again after you get out of calculus class with your calculus book, you know. So now we're going to do the lower limit, which is, in this case, what is it? 1 and 4. Alpha 1 and alpha 4. I always show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's okay. Here's what we're working on here, the formula for this nonsense. At f of a, which is f of 1, put that into the function and we get 4, okay? At f of 4, put that into the function, you get 1/4. 4 minus 1 is 3. We're figuring out all the components of that formula, right? And it turns out to be minus 5/4, okay? When we plug them into the actual formula and do the math, okay? Now we take the function, we do the derivative of that, which is minus 8x cubed. Yeah, okay, cool. Threw me, has a division sign here, that's cool, okay. And then we add the c. We do the derivative with the c function. We get this here, minus 8c cubed minus 5/4, and we solve for c. And when we solve for c, here's the answer, okay? So here's the answer, and then we do the approximation, which is 1.8566. Pretty neat, huh? Everystepcalculus.com. Why suffer? Go to my site, buy my programs. Well worth the money. The best there is. There's none like it. Okay, have a good one.